Hello, this is Rakesh Rao from DesignSense Software Technologies, Bangalore. We had an eventful 3-day participation at the INTERGEO 2024 exhibition in Stuttgart, Germany as an exhibitor, and we showcased our GeoTools and CAD Power software under the Movisoft umbrella. During this time, we had very good inquiries from customers and prospects who are using AutoCAD, BricsCAD and Ares Commander. So we had the good opportunity to show our product running on all three platforms, including the latest Ares Commander, on which we had some really good performance this time. Of course, BricsCAD continues to lead the pack in terms of our user base, and this is still a fast-growing market for us in Europe. But it's good to see that other platforms like Ares Commander and ZWCAD users also are finding our product useful. And although the numbers are really small, we are having a definite increase in acceptance in the other platforms as well. Thank you for watching this video, and do let me know if you have any questions.